Okay guys, well I decided to change my mind and show it anyhow. If you look far down there, you see a light. It's quite bright from further back. Weakening. Right at that V in the center. There is a light down there. I can't see it quite as well, but zoom even farther. Right down there. I don't see it down there. That's a valley in a heavily wooded area and by a stretch of power lines, as you can see there. The area in the middle of that valley is a stretch of power lines. I can only have a single flicker show up on this thing, I'd be happy. I'm recording, but I don't see it. I don't see it with my own eyes either. I see it down there. Bad thing is my camera doesn't pick it up very well. I need a lot better zoom. Dang, blasted. See it down there, but the camera doesn't pick it up very well. It would become a little bit brighter so I'd be able to see it on here at least. I'm recording the whole time, but I'm not seeing anything. Whoop. Saw it for a second down there. It's terrible. Thing doesn't come close. It moves up and down along this valley here. The area in the middle has the power lines that go down it. Normally it shows up from afar and people can see it, even from over here. But I don't see it very well at all. Sorry about that. I see it down there, down on the left, but camera isn't picking it up. It's getting dark, so yeah, that thing would get brighter. Maybe we'd be able to see it. see it down there. I've got it on my camera. There it is. Paulding light is getting a little bit brighter now. That glow there on the camera, you see it now. It's getting a lot brighter now. On most clear nights, it's visible in this little valley in the middle of nowhere, Michigan. It went away and then it came back. But, well, if anything, I know I've got it on this camera. Woodjav, Celebi, Simba, this is all for you guys. I'll see you back online next week. Farewell.